Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power 6 minus x cube is equal to 72, or this x to the power 6 can be written as x cube whole square minus x cube. Now taking this 72 to left side we will get negative 72 is equal to 0. Or now here let x cube is equal to y, so we will get y square minus y minus 72 is equal to 0. Or here we can use middle term breaking rule, so we can write here y square minus 9y plus 8y minus 72 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y to first two term we will get y times y minus 9, and taking common positive 8 to last two term we will get 8 times y minus 9 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y minus 9 we will get y plus 8 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here y minus 9 is equal to 0 and y plus 8 is equal to 0. But remember, let y is equal to x cube, so we can write here x cube minus 9 is equal to 0, and here we can write x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. Or x cube, now taking this negative 9 to right side we will get positive 9. Or now taking cube root on both sides we can write here cube root of x cube is equal to cube root of 9. Now here this cube cancel out this cube root, so we will get x is equal to 9 to the power 1 over 3. Or x is equal to, now 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power 1 over 3. So finally the value of x is equal to 3 to the power 2 times 1 is 2 over 3. It is our final answer. Now here, or we can write here x cube plus 8 can be written as 2 cube is equal to 0. Now we know an algebraic formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Now apply this formula here, we can write x plus 2 times x square minus 2x plus 2 square, that means 4, is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Or taking this positive 2 to right side we will get x is equal to negative 2. So here x is equal to negative 2. And here we can use discriminant formula, so we can write here del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 2 and c is equal to positive 4 is equal to negative 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 is equal to 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16 is equal to negative 12 less than 0. So there are no real solutions, so this is rejected. Because here x belongs to R. So we will get two values of x. X is equal to 3 to the power 2 over 3 and x is equal to negative 2. Now check. Our questions have given x to the power 6 minus x cube is equal to 72. X to the power 6 minus x cube is equal to 72. When x is equal to 3 to the power 2 over 3, we can write here 3 to the power 2 over 3 whole to the power 6 minus 3 to the power 2 over 3 whole to the power 3 is it equal to 72, or 3 to the power, now we can write here 2 over 3 times 6 minus 3 to the power 2 over 3 times 3 is it equal to 72, or here we will get 2 and here we will get 1. So we can write here 3 to the power 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3 to the power 2 times 1 is 2 is it equal to 72, is or 3 to the power 4, that means 81 minus 3 square, that means 9 is it equal to 72. Now we know 81 minus 9 is 72, so 72 is equal to 72. So this is correct solutions for x. Now when x is equal to negative 2, we can write here negative 2 to the power 6 minus negative 2 to the power 3 is it equal to 72, or here we will get 2 to the power 6, negative 2 to the power 6, that means 64, minus here we will get minus 8, it is equal to 72, or 64 minus times minus is plus 8, it is equal to 72. Now 64 plus 8 is 72, so we can write here 72 is equal to 72. So this is also correct solutions for x. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.